Hi YouTube friends, you would have seen the curry recipe in the Spanish version, but what I'm going to do is, for you lovely people, is I'm going to record it in English for you, as some of you have requested. So I hope that you like it, and let's get cooking. What you'll need for this recipe is 1 chicken stock, 100 grams of prawns, 2 chicken breasts, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, 1 cup of rice, salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon of curry powder and some Greek yogurt. Take your onion with your hands and cut that onion. Look at that slow motion. Wish it was a little bit slower. Then you take the onion and slice it and dice it into nice small pieces. Oh man, that's quick. Watch your fingers. Take your prawns, give it a nice cut on the edge. Oh, they look nice, don't they? And plop them into your bowl. Nice white onions. David, that was a bit aggressive, wasn't it? Take your 2 cloves of garlic. And squish them with your hand. Be careful not to cut your hand. Chop those garlic finely. Nice bit of cutting action. Add them to your onion. Looks like a sweetie, doesn't it? But is it? Nope. It's a chicken stock. Take your chicken. I've used thighs, but it's best probably to use breast. It's better. And fry it on a good, nice hot heat. Add your oil. I've used olive oil for this. Those poor little chickens. Okay, so you're going to cook your prawns in a bit of hot water, as I've used frozen prawns. Keep frying your chicken till it's nice and golden brown. Now add your prawns to your pan so that your prawns and your chicken can be friends. Make sure when you're cooking them that you cook them thoroughly so the blood is gone. Now with the rice. Add your rice and then add boiling water to the rice. And then you may have to add a bit more water as you go, but you need to test your rice as you go. look at that lovely boiling pan. Okay, add your onions and your garlic to the frying pan with the oil. Then your spoon of curry powder. Beautiful. Put your stock in your measuring jug, add the water, give it a good stir so there's no lumps. Nobody likes lumps. Then add your stock to the frying pan with the onions in. Then in with the chicken and the prawns. And then let it bubble away till it's heart's content. Oh wait a minute, it's chicken, not hearts. While you're waiting, you could lay the table. Next we're going to put the Greek yogurt in, but what you need to do is you need to turn down the heat right down so that it stops boiling, and then add your yogurt to the cool down curry. We're going to put about 4 whole tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Don't be shy with it, give it some. Lovely, look at that stirring. Should be nice and creamy now. Put your heat right back up. Serve your rice and all things nice, and then serve your curry. Look at that, beautiful. So you've seen the curry. It was delicious at the time, and I hope that you're going to like it too. And please do subscribe and like my channel, that really helps. And anything you would like me to cook, then make a comment below. Thanks, bye.